I don't feel the solution point or any point whatsoever. What do I do? Kia ora, Catrin here from Inspire New Beginnings and 2 Points, 1 Smile. And this video is especially in regards to 2-pointing. I receive sometimes requests or emails and comments saying, I am 2-pointing on my own. I really like the idea, but I don't seem to feel anything. And what can you do about that? Well, the main thing is, at the beginning, when I'm teaching you in the workshop or in the free video that you can watch, how 2-pointing works, there are certain steps, and the steps are only there to guide you at the beginning. And your mind now is waiting when you are practicing for those steps to happen. So you are still mainly in your brain or in your mind rather than feeling the whole process. It's totally normal. Everybody starts like that. So when I say mental level alpha, everything is light and information, drop into your heart. Some people don't even know what that means. And the next point is asking the questions, are there any emotions? When you feel the resonance and now you look for, in your brain or your mind, you look for the tingling in the fingers or the little invisible cloud that I talk about. And when you then don't feel it, your mind is straight away telling you you are doing it wrong and it's not working, so forget about it. First of all, saying solution points. When you look at a part where I explain what solution points really are, in the short form, there are many. There is never just one. And because they are changing location all the time, all you can do is simply decide that's where a solution point is. And at some point there will be one, just to get you started. If you feel anything, or you don't feel anything, it always works. I encourage you to trust this method, to keep practicing, and at some point when you manage to be completely in your space and you are simply feeling this process rather than doing this step by step in your head, then you might start feeling either tingling or the invisible cloud, or some of you may feel something completely different, like bubbles. Make it your own, but the key is you're not doing it wrong. It always works. However, when we start practicing, we are looking for what I tell you, and at the beginning I have to tell you something so you can start practicing. You're not doing anything wrong. Simply continue practicing, do the steps, and say that's where the solution point now is. Whether you feel anything or not doesn't matter. And then continue on the journey. And I guarantee you at some point you will feel something, and then it goes a lot, or it will be a lot easier from there on. I hope this was helpful. Just comment if you want to, or subscribe for more ideas on 2-pointing. Bye for now.